Just want to chronicle this. This is the first time I'm driving out of my driveway with a new concrete fence. I don't know if it will be too tight. This one's about 3 meters wide. It looks alright. It looks, I think I'll make it. It looks great.
You got space, babe. You got space.
Oh, no, that bit's sticking out on the left. It feels alright. No, it feels good. It feels good.
Loads of space.
Feels good. Yeah?
Yes.
I can do
you got
this.
loads of space.
Alright.
This
Yeah,
is so
I can do
big.
this.
Yes.
Also, my second thing I want to see is
Yeah.
if my driveway is a bit flattened. Because we had a crane on it. Previously, my car used to always get broke up. I wish you would have flattened it some more. We're gonna have to fix that driveway, isn't
You have
it?
to fix it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's so cool. It looks alright. It kind of matches, kind of suits the house. So we had our fence installed by Tilt-Up Fencing and it's almost there. How are you feeling, Ash? Are you feeling a bit overwhelmed, underwhelmed? What's your thought process going on?
I just want to see what it looks like when it's done.
Yeah.
Like when it's fully rendered and all that stuff.
So right now we're doing almost the finishing touches. So Gerhard and the team from Tilt-Up are here. They're removing their braces. You can see this is a nice solid wall now. It's not going to fall. These guys are very diligent. They've been working all day, all morning, and they're here now. They're mixing up some more concrete, just finishing up the last bits and pieces. And then tomorrow we're going to have the renderer come and just make it all gorgeous, ready for painting. Nice. And what are you doing to the wall there? What's that in your hand?
Render, and I'm patching all the imperfections on your concrete panels and substrates that have been damaged while erecting,
Nice.
and make it all look like a pretty picture.
Lovely. It kind of looks like an icing on a cake, is that right?
That's right. Yep. I'm pretty good with my tools too.
Okay, let's have a look. Let's see.
Talk's cheap though, huh?
How long did it take you to learn this stuff?
Not very long to learn, but I guess a long time to be neat, you know, and perfect it.
Yeah.
I guess I've been doing it I rendered for 19 years or close to 20.
Wow.
Too long.
Too long.
Definitely.
But you're passionate about it, I can tell. You love like fine lines, straight lines.
Yeah, well, I guess you got to be artistic really to be a decent renderer in the first place. Have an eye for detail.
Yeah.
Which yeah, I don't like when stuff looks you know, not like eye candy.
Look at that gorgeous finish.
No, and that's it.
And that's it.
I'll do that to all your butt ends and all your chips, and then should look all pretty and ready for paint.
Lovely.
Ready for Mr. Painter Man.
Awesome. Thanks, Mitch.
I'll render fill that as well. I did put like a cap on it, as you can see. Put that Sikaflex skew, but I'll fill that with render tomorrow.
Nice.
In the morning, cut a neat joint down the sucker, and then Sikaflex that. So it'll crack inside the joint that I cut, and then Sikaflex so you can't see that crack once it does crack.
And will this be straight?
Do you want it to be straight?
What's your recommendation?
If you want it, I'm not happy with it. If it was my fence, I wouldn't like it, and I like to leave fences if they're on my own, so I would probably take it back to there and just blend it from like nothing and gradually ramp it. Know what I'm saying? Because if I just ramp it just like that, you're going to notice it go.
Okay.
Know what I'm saying?
Nice.
So if I take it over like a meter, it won't be visual to the eye. And you're going to put an edge on it, you're going to see it.
Okay.
It's going to look candy to the eyeballs. That's what
I like your words.
You like that?
Yeah,
Nice.
this guy's awesome.
Fill this in as
It's
well.
good.
That one there was opened up, so I've just completely filled that one now. In the morning, I'll cut the joint as well, Sikaflex it so it cracks inside behind that Sika's
Oh, this will like a bit.
I can make that level for you too. In about 2 hours, and I'll have this sorted. I'll look him in. He's going to be home.
Yeah.
I'll make sure he's come out and have a look and you're all happy with it. But yeah, he'll be able to sort all the concrete.
Alright, good.
Just give him
So
a
my
call.
friends, this is Mitch, the patcher. He came in, he's making sure the walls are level. He's very meticulous. You're really eyeing up the detail. You like straight lines, you might like making it clean.
You like that?
He's a top dog. And he also, check this out, he also makes, I'm talking about makes, he doesn't fly, he makes his own FPV drones.
Left and right. That's it.
See you tomorrow.
Enjoy it. See you in the morning.
See you later, Mitch.
See ya.
The coolest dude ever. He patches up the job, makes sure everything's nice and straight. This is the last, hopefully, day that we're going to be doing our wall, and then we're down to be painting it. So this is the whole process on how to get your wall built. From putting the spikes up, negotiating the contract, building the walls, putting it in, wrecking some damage, fixing the damage, and getting it nice and polished and straight. I'm looking forward to tomorrow to showcase to you the final wall and how beautiful it looks.
So it's Wednesday. What happened to you, babe?
I'm sunburnt.
Oh my god, why? What have you been up to?
Today, I was expecting a kitchen guy to come in, and for some reason, the locksmith decided to rock up. I was like, whoa, it's the locksmith dude. I had no idea he was coming. And then the kitchen guy came, and behind him was also the renderer to make the walls straight. And they all came today.
At the
and
same
we
time?
were just trying to figure it all out at the same time. Nora was handling the kitchen dudes. I was handling the renderer. I was the apprentice, just making sure it's all straight. We
Oh my god.
tried making it really
Yeah.
straight. I was a bit psycho about
That's why
that.
he got so sunburned.
Sunburned.
Look, he's got so sunburned.
I was holding up the panels,
My God.
checking it all out. It was a really safe dude. Been a busy month. Hopefully we'll have some good tasks
This
to
is
report
this is
for
going
this
to be a
month.
better, yeah. This is going to be a more, not better because we did lots last time, but this is more like we're going to be able to show more things.
We're ticking some boxes.
Yeah, we'll be able to show more things.
Okay, let's. What are we doing?
We're just going for a
taking
walk because our
5-minute break.
brain is just, my brain is
And then I go
overloaded.
get back to doing some work because I had some work planned today. But I was just being
Okay.
apprentice. I was
You were
QA locksmith apprentice, just making sure, hey, you can't lock the new. That was fun.
It was fun.
And also renderer apprentice where I got sunburnt. Got nice little sun.
Oh my god. Show us this. Oh my god, Ash. Oh my god, no more sun for you.